All right, so we got a little traffic out here. Hopefully you can hear me. This is going to be our walkthrough, show you a little bit about where we're living here at the Intercontinental Residences in Hua Hin. Stay tuned. This is a view from our private beach area. Of course, the beach is open to anybody, but you can see right here, it's a open area right here where this is all private. And we have our multiple infinity pool here. Lounges come down. You don't have to reserve them or anything. Actually, you're not allowed to reserve them, so that's nice. This is where we signed a lease. You have a shower off for your feet there, and then across the way there's one too. There's cabanas up here for your use. And then there's also this area here with some tables and chairs, but there's a kitchen back in here. And this is available to residents, which we are. We signed a lease here. You just have to make a reservation for this area. And also this is where you sign out your pool towels, because you don't have to bring them down with you. You can just take get a pool towel down here. So again, pool area with the beach right there behind. And I'll take you further on. Again, Intercontinental Residences. There is a Intercontinental hotel. They're operated by the same people, IHG, but this is the residence at heart of it. If you're a resident here, you actually can use some of the facility type things at the hotel. They have like classes, like Thai classes and yoga classes at the hotel, which if you are a resident here, they do permit you to engage in those classes. So that's pretty cool. Gotta tell you about our condo here. Now, our condo here also, it includes in the cost of our rent, it includes one cleaning per week. So they come in and clean your condo once a week. It's included in the cost of your rental. Now, as you go on here, we can see you have pools on both sides of this walkway, this green space, and it stretches all the way out. As you walk from there towards the main building. On both sides, there's a kids' play area here. It's got some water features, some water cannons, things along those lines. I don't remember. I think you have to push some buttons here or something like that to get them started. But yeah, it's pretty cool for the kids. And then this wood planking is pretty warm on the feet. It's been out in the sun. And we got their music going, enjoying the day out here. People ask what it is that we like about Thailand. You know, this is it. I mean, affordable living with a luxury feel to it. It's just amazing for really a good price. Over here, we have the gym area. I didn't bring my ID card with me, but yeah, it's a fitness center. And then there's also a rock wall here for climbing. So I decided to run up and grab my key card for the gym to show you. This is the bathroom area of the gym. A couple sinks, toilets, changing room, and a steam room and shower. The other thing here, the gym, which is really amazing, And there's a shower in here. There's linens, of course. But yeah, nice spa room. And then there's another little water feature here that you walk through right here. But you can see down into the gym area. So during the day, you got all kinds of natural light because you have it on both sides. And then it's gonna be a little bouncy because I'm trying to walk a little faster. It's hot on my feet. I went barefoot when I got down to the beach. I come up to the main building area here. Over here behind those doors there is a library and game room. Not much in the way of books. But it's a good place, like if you need to work on your computer. It's a nice quiet place. And they also have some games like chess, stuff like that. And then as you come through, this will take you out towards the street, to the front of the property. There's a water feature there. Also here at the property, they have a shuttle that goes between the Holiday Inn, the Intercontinental Resort, and the residences. Oh, and also one of the big athletic clubs in town. And we are right across the street from the market, village market. And yeah, it's just amazing. We have a one-bedroom condo, and I will show you that now. All right, so when you come in our condo, the first thing you see is this huge window. We have our kitchen off to the left. There's fridge, stovetop, microwave, and clothes washer. Always a bonus. Nice sized living room. We are on the 5th floor here. And then if you look out across the way, that is the market village. So there's a bridge right here that crosses over the street for us. So I don't even have to worry about traffic getting across the street. Pretty nice. And then the bedroom, again, good sized bedroom. The windows continue on. And we have our bathroom right there. You can see in through here now, but if I hit the switch, now you cannot see through that glass to the shower. Anyway, pretty cool. And we have the shower, rainfall, and the handheld, and there's a seat. And the bathroom. So that's our place. Many of you will be interested in what we have paid for this location. So I will say that we have spent $1,700 a month. And then it also includes maid service 4 times a month, once a week. And yeah, we have to pay for electric and water as well, but Pretty much government rate on the electric. It's just a little higher than that. And water, I can't remember, 45 baht or something like that. So hopefully that helps you.